So let's start for the first exercise. Here they ask to simplify the block diagram shown in figure step by step and obtain the closed loop transfer function for GS that is equal to YS divided by XS. So at first, let's simplify this one. Let's start with here. Here, we will have that one, it will be 1 plus G2. So let's redraw our block diagram. One plus G2 is 1 is G3. Okay, so we simplify our block diagram from here. So let's try to rewrite this one. So one we have like this. If you have a block here, one is plus, one is minus, G1, 1 plus G2, and have a space here. Okay, let's name this one A and this one B. So our B will be here again. Now A will be here. So from here we can say that S is equal to A plus G2. That's the first one we have here. By the same time, if we see here B, it take A multiplied by G3 and YS. So B will be A G minus YS. So here we have to find what we will have inside this diagram. So anyway, we know that B will be something like interrogation, the one we don't have, multiplied by here, we will multiply by here, that is equal to our interrogation multiplied by A, the one we have here, A plus G2. By the same time, B, we have the value of B, we will replace it here, plus we can replace y directly by this value a plus g2 is equal to a plus g2 or implication, the one we don't have. So we can apply here, which is going. So what we will remain g3 plus a plus g2. Now here, let's check here real quick. There was this one in minus here, go to a, what is called here. So the one we don't have, our block diagram, our block here, we don't know it is going to be G G3 minus 1 plus G2, yes, divided by 1 plus G2. So since we know this one, we can rewrite it easily like this. G1, yeah, I think we have something like 1 plus G2. And we will have our feedback. We will have a feedback here. Now we know the value of this feedback. It is G3 minus 1 plus G2 divided by 1 plus G2. And it is going to be negative feedback. So when we have these two blocks are in series, so we can say ES divided by XS is going to be G1 divided by 1 plus G2 divided by 1. Since it is a negative feedback, we are going to have the plus sign multiplied by G1 1 plus G2, and we multiply by all the value of the feedback, G3 minus 1 plus G2 divided by 1 plus G2. If you want, we can organize it, but we already have a value. We can simplify here. Here is code. And our final value is going to be 1 multiplied by G1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus G1 divided by G3 minus 1 plus G2. And we got our final transfer function. So let me check here if we make any mistake. Okay, I think it's done. That's the first equation.